Nokia has just announced the 2018 refreshes of 3 devices from last year: the Nokia 2, the Nokia 3 and the Nokia 5. Kicking off with the Nokia 2, this is a 5.5-inch 720p device. It has stereo speakers, it is affordable, it isn't super powerful, but it does run with Android Go, the lighter version of Android that Google announced last year. This thing has 8 gigabytes of onboard storage only and 1 gigabyte of RAM, but what's interesting and cool is that 4.7 gigabytes of that is user available. You have micro SD card expandability as well, and like I said, there is that 5.5-inch HD display. This will be perfect for on-the-go media consumption, and it should last 2 days. That's what Nokia is saying, and we're inclined to believe them given the fact you've got a 4,000 milliamp battery inside. Moving on to the Nokia 3, and this is a 5.2-inch 18:9 device. It feels really nice in the hand. You've got 2.5D glass. It's premium, but it isn't going to break the bank. Available in 2 variants, 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes. The 16 gigabyte version has 2 gigabytes of RAM. The 32 gigabyte version has 3 gigabytes of RAM. This is kind of going toe to toe with the Motorola E series, but it does look a little bit better. That said, you haven't got some of the key features that E does have, like a giant battery. This has a big battery. It's 2,990 milliamps. So it should hopefully last you a full day. Inside it is a MediaTek processor powering everything along. 13 megapixel rear camera with an 8 megapixel front camera. And finally, the Nokia 5. This is machined from a single piece of aluminium. Again, feels premium, feels solid in the hand. You've got antenna lines at the top and bottom. In addition, 5.5-inch 18:9 screen is paired with Full HD Plus resolution, 443 pixels per inch here. Powered along also by a MediaTek processor, but a slightly more powerful one, and with the same configurations as a Nokia 3, that's 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes with 16 packing 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 3 gigabytes of RAM. It's going more toe to toe with the Motorola Moto G. With both the new Nokia 3 and Nokia 5 packing Android One, you're going to get 2 years of updates, so it's going to be getting Android P, and 3 years of security updates monthly, which is very, very cool. That means you've got some longevity there, which you don't normally find in this kind of price point. These aren't expensive devices, and they offer a lot of bang for buck, so you can kind of forgive the fact that none of these devices have USB Type-Cs or face unlock. But before we can say that for certain, we would need to get them in for review. So stay tuned to Tech Radar, where you can get more information about all of these devices by reading our words that go with this video and find out what's good and what isn't good about them when the full review drops. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.